I love Python. Yeah, it's brilliant. pfetch was actually written by the same guy who did NeoFetch. That's cool. Um,
Ah,
well,
yes.
there was one other project
Mhm.
written by him. I don't know. Called Hello World. It's look at this. So it just print. I think it just prints Hello World. Some highlights here. Let's have a look.
Wait, what?
How big is it? Yeah, it uses a clean build is 3.8 gigabytes. It needs 33 gigabytes to compile in the target folder.
What?
Takes 2.5 hours to compile.
What? Wait.
It's basically just a mockery of like Rust.
Okay, no, I found it. Memory safe, blazing fast, configurable minimal hello world written in Rust under one line of code with few 774 defense. Yeah, that's your average web project right there. I
Yeah.
use
Oh, and it
what is the React create React project or whatever it is.
yeah, node modules being like 2 terabytes.
Jeez. Three, 3.8. What? How? I have to examine this afterwards. Wait, I love.
Oh yeah, it's brilliant.
There's a translations folder. What? Oh, it just translates Hello World in other languages.
Yeah, and also like half of it is written like so in Rust. I don't know Rust very well, but you can have like unsafe stuff. So it says it's memory safe, but like everything's just unsafe. It's like yeah, it's hilarious.
What
Oh, and
the hell is this?
have you seen this bit? I'll just send it to you. So you know where I'm looking. It's just one library, as you can see, is the number list only says one because that's how that works.
Just one lives you see the number list along. No, I was just looking at the code for this. This is terrifying.
Yeah, it is. This is like when you see like is odd or is even, you're like, I'm gonna take this to the extreme.
My favorite version of is odd or is even is the one where there's a billion if statements.
Yeah, my one is one where it's just it's like an is prime, and it just returns no, and it's like 90% correct. So it's like,
That's a great one actually.
and there's like issues on the GitHub where it's like, well, for this number it didn't work, and it's just like, yeah, but if you run it over like so many numbers, the average just comes close to 99%, so we don't care. Not fixed.
It's not wrong.
Yeah,
It's not
brilliant.
wrong.
You're right.
I'm good. I'm good. Yep. I love the open source world. It's so
Oh,
stupid.
it's brilliant.
This is what I like. As much as I enjoy the like arguing about stupid things, when people are like, I'm just gonna have some fun with my code. Like this, there's
Yeah,
nothing serious here. Like it's
yeah,
intentionally dumb. It's intentionally broken, and it's just like writing it because you want to have some fun with it, not because you need to
oh,
do it, not because it's your
yeah.
job. No, you just want to write some fun code.
Yeah. I mean, like Xenia Linux started off like that. It's
Yeah.
like you just take something that you think's like just funny because like being able to say you have Gentoo but it's immutable is inherently funny.
Mhm.
It's just like that's why open source I think is like so cool in this community because people aren't like 90% of people aren't doing it because it's like their job. They're doing it because this is fun and this is what I actually want to do.
Mhm. Mm. But when you've got users asking you to do stuff, and I get it. I get why some people get jaded by it.
Yeah, yeah,
Especially
100%, 100%.
especially those like those developers that are making these crazy big web library, not even crazy big, like crazy important web libraries. It's used by like Netflix and Amazon and Google, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
they don't get paid a cent for it.
I know. Oh, Core.js, I think you're on about.
I can
Yeah,
think of 10 different examples.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So, I mean, we don't get like too many annoying issues because again, most of our users are pretty like they know what they're doing.
Sure.
But like the worst thing is when you get an issue and people just send you a screenshot. Like worse, they get a picture of their phone of their desktop. You can't read any of it. And it's like, and half the time it's like, say in a merge, for example, it tells you if you want support, do this and send this to the person you're asking for support. And they will take a picture of that. It's like, how do you deal with that? It's like, yeah. Or in Xenia, for example, we'll get users who have installed like 50 packages to their base set, and they update, it doesn't work. And then we're like, right, if you look at the documentation, it says here, here's how you fix this issue. Or please don't do this because we literally have this for the for example, like Foxmerge. If you need a VPN or you need some drivers, that's what it's there for.
Yeah.
But like anything else, it isn't. And it's just like, yeah, I can see why people get very, jaded. I think the way you put it is probably the best way to describe it.
I don't know how you even get yourself onto an immutable version of Gen 2 and just treat it like it's a normal version. Like, what do you... Gen 2's right there. Like, just go use that one. What are you doing here? I'm not...